I got my first beauty advent calendar to unbox for you guys, and it's going to be the only one that I get for this year, 2025. In years past, I usually get between 2 and 5 beauty advent calendars, but this year there's only one that I really want, and the others, you know, they're nice, but they've gotten too expensive, and I just have a lot of things that I need to finish up. I also do a video of upcoming advent calendars that are coming out this year, and I opted not to do it because, again, I'm only getting one this year, and pretty much we kind of know that there's beauty advent calendars out there. A lot of brands have their beauty advent calendar, like Guerlain, Sisley Paris, Jo Malone, L'Occitane. That's what I'm going to show you here. And there's also multi-brands like the Look Fantastic, Suffrages, Space & K, but they've just gotten too expensive, and you know, some of them, they just kind of cram it with products that, you know, we probably won't use. So this is the first year that I didn't do that kind of video, and I think, you know, moving forward, I probably won't do that again. And in the future, if I do get beauty advent calendars, I will unbox it for you guys, just like I'm going to do in this video with the L'Occitane Premium Advent Calendar. Isn't that pretty? The yellow and white. And I do love the L'Occitane products, and I think this year there's some nice ones in this one. And L'Occitane usually comes out with 2 different ones here in the States, and this year it's kind of different. L'Occitane only has one on their website, and then the other one is on the Nordstrom website. But first, let me tell you the one that I got. It's from the L'Occitane website, and it's the premium one. And this one has 24 products featuring 2 full-size bestsellers. This one costs $210, and it's valued at $369. So on the website, it does say it has 2 full-size bestsellers, but one of the pictures, it says it's featuring 3 deluxe-size bestsellers. So we're going to find out what it is when we open this up. But I think one of the bestsellers is my favorite that I use almost every night. It's the Overnight Serum. Love that. And then let me go to the Nordstrom website, and that one's called the Travel Size Total Body 24-Day Advent Calendar. This one has the travel size, sample size products in it, and you do get 24 products in here, and this one costs $135 with a value of $238. And I think this would be a great gift for yourself or for someone out there that loves L'Occitane products, because it's nice, you know, opening something every day to see what's in there. But for this video, I'm going to open every one of them up and see what's in this advent calendar. So let me bring it up here and show you. It does look like, you know, maybe the house of L'Occitane. Very pretty with the windows on either side. And on the back, it does say, I know the glare is kind of bad there, but it does say the products in here and the ingredient. And then let's see what this side looks like. Yeah, just like the house. And there is a sleeve, so let's pull that up. And here's what it looks like when you pull that up. So these are doors or pullouts. I'll take a closer look. But it's like the inside of the L'Occitane house. And I know the glare, it's not going to do it justice. I think that's really cool. Let me get this back side here. There you go. Oh, that's nice. So yeah, these are punch outs, and they're not in numerical order. And I believe that there is something up here on the top. So let's look for door number 1. Let's go ahead and start opening it. I can't find door number 1. Give me a second here. Finally found it. I hope you can see there's one right there, and I think it's all of this. But let's punch you out, and it's a big door. Oh, okay. I can see that that's a hand cream, and I believe this is either one of the full-size products or one of the deluxe-size products. So what we do have is the dry skin hand cream with 20% shea butter, and there's 2.5 fluid ounce in here, 75 mils. So I'm looking at the website, and they do have 3 different sizes. They have the 1 ounce, I believe it's the 2.5 ounce, and then the 5.1 ounce. And the 2.6 ounce sells for $27. So that's not bad. Okay, so we're starting off strong. And I did see door number 2, which is right here. So they're, again, not in consecutive order. You just have to look around. And it looks like we have a deluxe sample size here. And it's one of my favorite scents, the almond. And this is the milk concentrate. Love this lotion. And it is 0.6 fluid ounce, which is 20 mils. For day 3, we do have a nice bottle. And, oh, this is something new for me. This is a perfume shower gel, the Fleur de Cerisier. I know I'm saying that wrong, but this one does have notes of cherry blossom and extract of cherry from Provence. You do get a good size of it, 2.5 fluid ounce, 75 mils. Actually, the cherry blossom from L'Occitane is not my favorite scent, but let's smell it. Oh. That smells kind of clean. That's different than the other cherry blossom that I've tried. All right, we'll give this one a try. And I do like the bottle, that clearness. I like that. Okay, that was day 3. Now let's go to day 4, which is another cream. Oh, and it's a foot cream. It's a dry skin foot cream with 15% shea butter. 30 mils of product, which is 1 ounce. So we all know during the winter months, our heels do get a little dry and cracked, so this would be great for that. I kind of like when you punch it out, it does look like you're opening doors to the rooms in this box. So for day 5, look looks to be a cleansing oil. I know when the bottles are clear and the font is white and light and small, I do need to have some help here. So this is a Proactive Skincare Cleansing Oil. And I do like their cleansing oil. It takes the makeup off really well. Ooh, day 6 is a big one. And we have the almond scent in the Supple Skin Oil. Oh, I love this one. It's good size too. Oh yeah, that's a good size right there. And I always like to mix this up with the lotion and just apply it to my skin. It just moisturizes it so nice. And you do get 1.6 fluid ounce, 50 mils of product, and it's in a glass bottle. And they do sell the size for $30. So far, after 6 days, I'm liking it. Day 7, we have a small box, and it looks to be like perfume. Yes, in that same scent, the cherry blossom scent, the Fleur de Terrassier. I know I'm saying it wrong, but that's how it's spelled. I'm not a perfume wearer kind of gal, so this will be great as a stocking stuffer. You do get 0.25 fluid ounce, which is 7.5 mil. Okay, that was day 7, so let's go to day 8. And we got our first verbena scent, and this is in the shower gel, 1.6 fluid ounce, which is 50 mils of product. And again, this is great to travel with. For day 9, we do have something very small in here, and it's the Immortelle Precise Eye Cream. I can see the size for an eye cream because we don't usually put that much. And again, this is great for travel, but it is kind of small. Day 10, we have the lotion of the cherry blossom scent. We got the shower gel, and now we have the body lotion. And again, this has notes of cherry blossom and extract of cherry from Provence, and it's 2 fluid ounce, 75 mils of product. For day 11, it looks to be like a spray, and it's relaxing pillow mist. 15 mils of product, which is half a fluid ounce, and it does have notes of lavender. For day 12, halfway through, we do have another hand cream, and it's in the almond scent. Another one that's 30 mils of product, 1 fluid ounce. All right, for day 13, we have our first shampoo, and it's the Gentle and Balanced shampoo for all hair types. It has lavender essential oils. It also has a moisturizing prebiotic. You get 2.5 fluid ounce, 75 mils. Oh, yeah. I hope this works for my hair. That was day 13, so let's go to 14. Oh, which is on the same side, makes it easy. And with that, we have the conditioner, the Gentle and Balanced conditioner. Also has lavender essential oils and the moisture prebiotic. And it's the same size, 2.5 fluid ounce, 75 mils of product. This is what we have for day 15, and I have to look at this. Ooh, and it's the foaming cleansing cream, and this one's nice. This is what I like to use for a second cleanse. Very gentle, doesn't strip my skin, and it smells really good too. And you do get 14 mils of product, 0.5 fluid ounce. And this is what we have for day 16, another body lotion in Neruli Orchid. It has it in French, but I know I'm going to say it wrong. And this one has extracts of neruli and white orchid fruit. 75 mils of product, 2.5 fluid ounce. Oh, that's very nice. I wonder if there's going to be a shower gel in this scent. I don't know, but it'd be nice. For day 17, we have the shower scrub in the almond scent. Nice little travel size. And I do use this one. I have the full size in my shower right now. And this size is 20 mils of product, which is 0.73 ounce. And it does have some almond shells in there for the exfoliation. For day 18, we have a mask, a hair mask. This is the Intensive Repair Mask for dry and damaged hair. It has Angelica essential oil and plant protein. Typically don't use masks for my hair, but I think I may give this one a try. That was day 18. There's 19 right there. And we have the verbena body lotion. We got the shower gel, now we have the body lotion. 50 mils of product, 1.6 fluid ounce. Love the verbena scent too. It smells very citrusy, but the almond scent is my number one. And for day 20, speaking of my number one scent, we have the shower oil and almond. And that's a good travel size too, 2.5 fluid ounce, 75 mils of product. For day 21, we have a small jar, and it's the Immortelle Divine Facial Cream. Very small jar of it. It's kind of cute. You have 8 mils of product, which is 0.28 ounce. For day 22, we have the Immortelle, I know I'm saying it wrong, Kyrite, and it's the Pro Youth Body Care Body Balm. 20 mils of product, which is 0.69 fluid ounce. So I guess this is going to be a little bit thicker than the body cream. Yeah, that seems to be a little bit thicker. Let's go ahead and apply this to my hands. Oh, this smells really good. Ooh, that really moisturized my hand there. All right. For day 23, we have the Neruli Orchid in the hand cream. I was hoping for the shower gel because we do have the body lotion, but now we have the hand cream. And I don't think we'll be getting the shower gel in this scent, which is okay. I'll survive. But with this perfume hand cream, you get 1 fluid ounce, which is 30 mils of product. And you know what? Let me go ahead and use this one as well. Oh, it's not a twist top. It's a pop top. Oh yeah, that one smells really nice. This one's be a little bit thicker than that balm, that body balm. Oh yeah, I like this one. Let me put some on my knees. All right, day 24, it is up at the top. Let me just show you what it looks like with the doors open. You can close it and use it for decoration, for display. So it does say 24 up here, and there's some tape. So let me just kind of cut that out. And let's see. Oh, you pull that up. Oh, look at that. That's cute. It's like a steeple. This is day 24, Christmas Eve. And it is what I think it is. It's my favorite serum, and it's the Immortelle Reset Overnight Serum, or Oil In Serum. Love this stuff. I think I've been through maybe 5 or 6 bottles. So this is the 1 fluid ounce, and it is a full size. And the 1 ounce bottle sells for $74. And I use this at night. When I wake up, my skin just feels soft. My pores look smaller. My fine lines looks a little smoother. Love this stuff. I just finished the bottle and I'm using my last backup. So now I have a backup of that. But it says on the website, the Beauty Sleep Bottle. This hits reset on tired looking skin with our iconic serum. It smooths the appearance of fine lines and you wake up radiant. It has the antioxidant power of the Immortelle essential oil that's concentrated into those golden bubbles. The Immortelle sap-like extract acts to smooth the skin and help recovery from daily stressors. Leaves the skin hydrated, glowing, and more rested. And this is a great way to end the advent calendar on Christmas Eve with this product. The Immortelle Overnight Reset Serum. Love it. And I do like this box. Like the little steeple here. I will use this for display for Christmas, but yeah, I'm really liking this year's advent calendar from L'Occitane. Got a lot of great products and great sizes too. And again, there are 2 different advent calendars. This is the premium one that we can get off the L'Occitane website, and the smaller version one, we can get that one off the Nordstrom website. But this premium one, yeah, I'm really liking it. From the full-size shower oil, full-size reset serum, love it. And trying these new scents, which one was it? The Neruli Orchid. Wish there was a shower gel in it, but I'll survive. I'll live. But yeah, I am really happy with this year's advent calendar. And again, this will be my only advent calendar that I'll be getting this year. Well, alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video of me unboxing the premium advent calendar from L'Occitane. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.